So it is approximately 7 months and a week since Trillian's surgery, and the first time I made a video the day before her surgery. And I am happy to report that I feel like all the money and time spent in her recuperation was worth it. She's doing great. She doesn't seem to be in much pain. She can do pretty much everything that she did before the surgery. Her endurance is still not where it was. We used to walk like regularly about an hour every morning, and now we're more like 35 minutes, and depending on the weather, with the hot weather, she really doesn't want to go much farther than that. If the weather's cooler, she tends to be a little more peppy and energetic. Right now it's the middle of the afternoon and she's kind of in her sleepy nap time mode. Overall, I'm just really thrilled with how her recovery went. I'm really grateful to all the vets that helped me make decisions each step of the way so that she was facing a minimum of like trauma and pain, though there was some. It basically was just unavoidable, and I felt like in the short term it's better to go through that than to have perhaps long-term, crippling consequences. Her back seems to be doing great. Her hips, she's bearing weight on both sides, and that's all I really hope for. She's about 6.5 right now, and I'm hoping that she lives at least that long, maybe 10 more years. With good care and lots of love. And I just want her to be the happiest little dog that she can be. So I'm going to do everything I can to prevent future injuries with her other knee, because that is she's now at much higher risk for injuring her right side. And there's not that much we can do about it other than to just keep her weight down, somewhat be careful of her activities, and we no longer let her out on a tether. It's always with me on a leash, and that's just how it's going to have to be from now on. So I hope this video, this series of videos might have helped you if you're facing these kind of decisions with your dog. Every dog is different. She's a little dog. Bigger dogs have different issues perhaps. So anyway, hopefully that this has helped somebody, and it helped me.